Hello all. Today we are going to discuss running DWP and Smart IT on separate Tomcats post upgrade from 18.02 to 18.05. Prior 18.05 in version 18.02, both MyIT and Smart IT were a bundled application and they used to run on a single Tomcat. Let me log into one of my servers and show you a few configurational settings. As you can see, basically both MyIT and Smart IT run as a single application. Here the application is. This application runs as a single application and uses a single Tomcat. Now let me show you a few configurational settings. This is the Tomcat both MyIT and Smart IT refer to. Let us look at the server.xml file. As you can see, it refers to port 9000. Hence, MyIT and Smart IT both would be accessible on port 9000. Let us look at the config.properties file. As you can see, it refers to the single Tomcat. Let us access the application. As you can see, this is my MyIT server which is accessible on 9000 and my Smart IT server is also accessible on 9000 port. Post 18.02 from 18.05, MyIT and Smart IT are two separate applications and have separate installers. Hence, if you're planning to upgrade from 18.02 to 18.05, you will have to upgrade DWP first, that is MyIT, and then Smart IT. You will have to run them on individual Tomcats. Let me show you an example. This is basically my DWP server. It has both DWP and Smart IT installed. As you can see, DWP is running as an individual application, unlike 18.02. Similarly, Smart IT is also running as an individual application. Both are using their individual Tomcats. Let us have a look at a few configurational settings. As you can see, there are two Tomcats configured or installed. Hence, Tomcat 8.5 is accessible for DWP and Smart IT Tomcat is basically accessible for Smart IT. These Tomcats have been pre-installed. Let us look at the server.xml file. As you can see, DWP uses port 9000. Similarly, Smart IT uses port 9001. You will have to validate that there is no conflict between these two ports. These are accessible individually. As you can see, both DWP and Smart IT are separate installers. Let us look at the config.properties file. As you can see, my DWP accessible and the path is defined here. Similarly, Smart IT. Let us look at the config.properties file. It refers to the Tomcat of Smart IT. So basically, if you have to separate DWP and Smart IT's Tomcat, you will have to validate the server.xml file, which has separate ports defined. There shouldn't be conflicts between any of those ports, and the config.properties should have the correct path of the Tomcat version and the Tomcat path. Let me access both the applications. As you can see, my DWP Smart IT application is accessible on 9001 and DWP application is accessible on 9000. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.